Hey there, you never miss any new update. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello viewers, you can watch my videos by search youtube.com/Chakravarthi Technology, and you can also watch my videos by facebook.com/Chakravarthi Technology. First trick. How to know how many messages you did not read in your WhatsApp. Go to widgets and add WhatsApp widget. When you resize that, you get a number. That number is number of messages that you hadn't read that. Second tip. How to chat with a stranger without saving any contact. When you get a need to send in files to stranger number without previous contact, open any contact chat box and type wa.me/ and enter the number with 91 before with whom you want to send message. When you click on send, the message turns like link in blue color. Tap on that link, then you get chat dialog box with the number contact that you entered. Third tip. How to send blank message in WhatsApp or any social sites. Before open Play Store and search for blank message. Install and open it. Select number of rows or characters for your need. If you click on send, then it directly access WhatsApp. You can select contacts for whom you want to send blank message. Fourth tip. How to register WhatsApp with a blank name. It helps in when you chatted in group no one can find your name, and chatting with strangers they cannot find your name. First click on clipboard in blank message app, then back to WhatsApp, and paste the blank text in place of WhatsApp name. Fifth tip. How to play or listen voice messages without blue tick for the sender. If somebody sends in voice message, if we play that in WhatsApp, then the sender get blue tick, then this is the trick to listen without blue tick. I am sending the voice message through tapping on record button. I get that voice clip in my mobile one. If I tap on play button, then sender get blue tick. If you don't want to get the blue tick, then create a new group. Then create a group by adding any one of your contact in that group. Now open that created group and remove the contact that you added in that group. Means you only present in that group. Now forward the voice message in that group in which you only one of the member. Now play that voice message in that group, then observe in the sender mobile, they did not get any blue tick even though you listened to observe the change. I am playing that clip directly in the receiver chat dial, then see they get blue tick.